Hey guys, here's another one of my braid out tutorials, but this one is meant for people with much shorter hair, but it is still possible for other hair types. So right now I'm just showing you everything that you will need. You will need a hair cream and you will need a hair oil. The hair cream will be used to moisturize your hair and the hair oil will be used to seal your hair. You will also need a spray bottle, a wide tooth comb, a rat tail comb, rubber bands, and a towel is optional. What I like to do is I like to heat up my water. I use hot water, and then I also like to put hot water in a cup to heat up my oil. Using hot oil has a lot of benefits such as increasing the blood flow in your scalp. Plus I have low porosity hair and using heat opens up my hair follicles. So the first step is to part your hair both down the middle and down the side. This could be done by using your body parts as reference points such as your ear to know if the part is straight from each side. You could also use your nose when parting down the middle of your hair, or you can use your eyebrows when parting down the side of your hair. Now you are going to see that I'm separating the hair into smaller parts, and then I'm separating these parts with rubber bands so that they don't get mixed up with each other. So before you get the braiding started, it is very important to moisturize your hair, both your scalp and the hair, and to pay special attention to your ends because your ends have been there for the longest. To moisturize, I use the LCO method, which is liquid, cream, and then oil. So my liquid is water, my cream is the SheaMoisture cream, and then my oil is the Grow oil. So detangling is a two-step process when it comes to these braids because you want it to be very detangled so that your curls could come out popping. So the first step is to detangle with the wide tooth comb. Always start to your end and go to your roots. Then after that, use the rat tail comb to really get all the knots and stuff out. Now here comes the braiding. Please do not come for me because I do not braid like regular people. I was self-taught when it came to braiding, so yeah, my fingers is doing all type of gang signs right now, but I promise you it's gonna come out really decent. And then before I get to the end of the braid, I make sure to add more cream and more oil because like I said, you want to show love to your ends because they have been there for the longest and they're more prone to getting brittle and breaking. So throughout my head, I'm just repeating the same steps. I'm moisturizing my scalp, I'm moisturizing my hair. I feel like the cream is very important to this because if you were just using oil and water, like the cream is what really makes your hair soft and curly, and you know, like you need a lot of moisture for this hairstyle so that the braid out could come out nice. So for the next like minute or so, I will be just braiding my hair. So if you want to skip a little further into the video to actually see the rest of the tutorial, skip to like 5:50. I'm not done braiding yet, but I like to end it off by sealing my hair with more cream and more oil. Throughout this video, you will see that I moisturize a lot because that is key to hair growth and to retaining your hair's length. So now here I am actually taking out the braids and I'm braiding my hair. I believe I kept this hairstyle for 2 weeks, but you don't need it in for 2 weeks to get these results. You need it in for at least like a day or a day and a half. But the longer, the better. Also, when it comes to unbraiding your hair, you want to be very careful and not like rough with it. You don't want to like pull through or anything so that the curls can remain there. Just like go really slow and take your time. And now is when you just fluff it out so that you don't really see the parts anymore and that there's more volume and that it's just like spread out. There's no gaps, no nothing. And yeah, here's the results. I hope this video was helpful. Please leave a like if you found this helpful and if you are going to try it, and leave comments down below if you already tried it and if it was successful for you. And leave any questions in the comment too, because I will answer them. I will leave all the products in the description and maybe more tips also. And lastly, make sure to hit that subscribe button because there will definitely be more hair tutorials on the way. And of course, this style is so cute. You're not going to want to style it for just one day. So if you want to style it for the next day also, just do 4 big braids. Make sure it's a little loose, not too tight, and then unbraid it and it's going to be good the next day.